Okay, here we go. We're going to review question 2 from the lesson 7 activity. Here's number 2. So first step, read the question. If 1 out of 12 students at a school share a locker, how many share a locker in a school of 456 students? Well, the first thing that I'm going to identify here is they're being a little tricky by putting the number 1 right there in words. So it might be helpful for you to recognize that if you're reading it too quickly, you could skip over that really easily. It's one of those words that you can skip over really easily. I'm going to recognize that this is a part to whole comparison. We are comparing the students who share a locker to the total number of students in the school. They tell us the ratio is 1 to 12, and they are asking us about 456 students. So here we're asking how many share. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to use our equivalent ratios again. We're going to compare 1 out of 12 is the same as how many out of 456. So the challenge to this question is how can we find out how to change a 12 into a 456? So you just have to go back to what you know about multiplication and division, because we are being asked to figure out, is 12 times anything equal to 456? Sorry, not 55. So the way that I do that is I take 456, 6, not 4, 6, and I divide that by 12. So you can do that by hand if you're looking for a little bit of division practice. I'm going to use my calculator. So 456 divided by 12 is 38. So what does that mean? That means that 12 times 38 is 456. So I'm looking to keep these proportional. So I'm going to do 1 times 38. Lucky for me, that's easy. And so now I have the answer to the question. I know that if 1 out of 12 students are sharing a locker, that is the same as 38 out of 456 students. So final answer, 38 students. All right. Hope that's helpful to you.